behind the scenes things got a little real. Stick around. A very interesting start to this video because I came down from this quarantine thing to my car in the garage, and guess what happened? I did a little cold start. I put the camera in the back. I came here, turned it on, and I turned it off so quick that I stepped out to get the camera, and guess what? The car actually got locked. For some reason, the car was unlocked. The door got shut and it didn't want to open. So me thinking like, oh, maybe it needs to be completely shut and then it's open, because I have never done this before. The car, I mean. So I close the door completely and I push it, boom, and it doesn't want to open. I'm like, oh my God. I was like scratching my head, like, what am I gonna do now? Like, nobody's working, like everything is shut down, the keys in the car. Like, oh my God, man. I went through like a mini hell right there. Like, it's a tiny bit of a hell right there. You know, I ain't gonna lie. And I actually forgot that I had an extra keys. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. When I want to work this beautiful G35, supposed to be the Vader, no racer, but alive as well. Jesus Christ. And just to keep it short, the day that I was supposed to start the steering rack build and doing a lot of fixes to this car, I got sick. If you guys have been reading my community posts, you guys know what am I talking about. And that was when this little outbreak of, you know, of the quarantine thing came into effect. Thankfully, I did my shopping before then. That brings me to the topic of the day about this quarantine. Now, I'm pretty sure your big favorite YouTubers already have been complaining about this. And if they have complained, however you say it, about this quarantine stuff, about them being limited and they can't do this and they can't do that. Imagine me that I don't have a house, I don't have a garage. My garage is the streets full of poop in New York City, and this space right here, which I sometimes use it, which technically I'm not even supposed to be doing anything on this space right here, because this is just a parking space. It's not a garage. It's not a personal garage. This thing going around is super dangerous, and I don't want to put my family at risk just because I want to fix this car or because I want to make content out there. Now that I have this big problem, the best thing to do is to adapt, create something else that hopefully is enjoyable for the channel, and I'll be discussing that real soon. Now, if you're wondering about my voice, that's because my apartment has a little breeze at nighttime that comes in, and that breeze at nighttime, that cold breeze, messes up your throat. So I've been on and off sick still about the throat thing, and it's messing with my vocals. So yeah, that's why I sound like a little bit weird. Now, if you are quarantined, I want to know, what are you doing to get yourself entertained throughout this process? Are you playing PlayStation? What are you doing, man? Like, I want to know, because some people they have been making a lot of jokes about quarantine and about not wanting to be in the house or like with the wife, which is pretty funny, but in real life, I know it's not like that. And do you believe it's gonna go even further, like 2-3 months, 4, 5, 6, 9, like they was predicting? Please let me know in the comment section down below.